How to get Walmart W2 from online. So if you want to get Walmart W2 from online, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Google or your browser, search for OneWalmart, and then go with one.walmart.com. Now here you just need simply go with your mobile site, go with search. Under search you need to search for W2 and you will get an answer on how you can get your W2. But if you don't find it right here, you need to search for W2 on Walmart, and here you will have your answer. So as you can see that Walmart typically sends W2 forms by January 31st. Since if you haven't received yours and are unable to access it online, then this is the steps that you can do. You can access your W2 online if possible and follow these steps. You can contact Walmart's payroll department and ask to be directed to the payroll or HR for W2 assistance. Or you can also visit your former store. If you're near a Walmart location where you worked, you can ask the HR representative for help. Or you can also request a physical copy. Or you'll be able to fill the Walmart W2 from online. You can go with the online Walmart One website and then log into your account using your Walmart identification number and click on the payroll or money tab and look for the option to access your W2. You need to enter the required information such as your social security number and employee ID. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.